Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Friday market update. So, guys, on this session, I'm going to give you an update on the pairs that we've been speaking about since the week began. So, without wasting any time, let us get into it. So, the first pair that we did speak about was what the New Zealand dollar over the US dollar. Now, this one on the higher time frame, we do have this as an impulsive move up. This is what our side is corrective structure. So, this is having what the higher probability of continuing to climb all the way to the upside. And now coming on to our mid time frame. We do see price wants this impulsive movement. This is what our side is corrective structure. And then price did eventually break out, and then it started to climb all the way to the upside. And then as I move on to what our lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, we did see price wants this impulsive movement. This side is corrective structure that we did use as what as our entry pattern. So currently we are floating at somewhere around 1.9% profit. So the target is all the way to the upside. So we are still holding this trade and waiting to see how this will continue to progress. And then now for our next pair, which is going to be the US dollar over the Canadian dollar. So this one, on the higher time frame, we do see price wants this impulsive movement downside is corrective structure, confirming that this is having a high probability of impulsing down. And then on the mid-time frame, we do see also price wants this impulsive movement. This side is corrective structure. So this already did start to drop. So this is having a high probability to continue to drop all the way to the downside. And then now coming on to our lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, we do see price wants at this entry pattern that we did use to enter this trade. So currently we're floating at somewhere around 1.8% profit. So this is having what the high probability of continuing to impulse all the way to the downside. And you might also see what the potential scaling entry that you might be executing like so. So on this one, we just have to wait and see whether this will take us in and continue to do it to move in our overall direction. And then for our final pair, which is the Great British Pound over the Australian dollar. So this one, higher time frame, nothing much has changed. We still have what this impulsive movement that is visible in the mid time frame. So let me drop it a bit lower. So we do see what that continuation pattern out from the breakout to the mini test, giving us what this corrective structure. So and then on the lower time frame, we do see what that continuation impulsive movement. This is what our continuation structure that we might evolve to like this, that we are able to capture that breakout. Like so, enter on the breakout stops below and take profit all the way to the upside. So this one, we just have to wait and see whether this will take us in and whether the market will take us in and move all the way to the upside. So these are the only pairs that I'm focusing on for the day. So I will continue to update you on the progress of these pairs. But for now, this is the end of the session, guys. Hopefully it was informative for you. Take care and I'll see you next time.